Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to Lodi Audiobooks. With this channel, I hope to revive significant Islamic books for people all around the world, bridging the gap between spiritual knowledge, and the English speaking world. The purpose is making the wealth of Islamic literature accessible to minds worldwide. Let's explore together, learn, and have a great time soaking in the beauty of Islamic teachings. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey of understanding and connection, bringing the wisdom of Islamic literature to friends all around the globe. So, once again, let's begin.